Hello, class. I hope you're doing well. We this week we started on lesson 8. So, and there's I think about 15 in the class. So we're actually at the halfway point of the semester. So these first 7+ weeks have really flown by. So yeah, we're already halfway through the class. So I just finished posting your 2 grades from the last week's module. So again, I didn't do any videos this week because of kind of how the Juneteenth holiday. We were off, and then I was traveling for with my family, so I wasn't able to do any videos on this week's on either assignment this week. But I'll make sure for the assignment that's due this weekend or due next Monday, I'll be sure to do a video, kind of a video grading for you for the next week assignment. So. But all grades should be updated right now, so please go through your grades. And again, I noticed in my grade book that I have a lot of assignments that are still missing from several of you. A lot of you have submitted every single assignment. Again, it's greatly appreciated. But I want to kind of give you an opportunity right now that if you are currently missing any assignments, and a missing assignment is one where you have a 0 listed because there was nothing turned in. If you would still like to try to earn points for those assignments, send me an email and let me know which assignment you're missing. So you and I can work out an arrangement where you can still submit that assignment and still earn some partial credit. Because again, the last thing I want is for you to not have any points on those zeros. Again, I hate giving zeros, but again, I have to have an assignment to be able to grade it. So again, I'm going to give you about a week or two to send me an email. And again, if there are any assignments that you're missing, let me know the missing assignment, and then you and I can work out, and I'll respond to your email, and we'll work out a time for you to be able to submit it for partial credit. Because again, some points is better than no points. So. A couple of you have already asked about, if you're able to earn any extra credit for this class. Yes, I might actually, here in the next, probably within the next, sometime in mid to late July, I might actually offer an extra credit assignment so you can get some additional points if you're worried about your grade. Again, I'll post much more details about that next month. But again, I will offer an extra credit assignment if you would like to have it. So, but overall, again, keep up the good work. As an overall class, I really appreciate the effort that you're putting into your discussions and to your essays. They've been really good. Just a couple things to keep in mind. Again, on your discussions, make sure you pay very close attention to the due dates, because again, several of you are missing that initial due date. You're doing your initial post, before the overall assignment's due, but you're missing that initial deadline of usually on Saturday afternoon. You're waiting till Monday or so to post. So make sure you hit your original posting deadline, and then make sure you respond to a classmate, within the time frame given, usually by Monday at noon. So make sure that you're missing that, because again, a lot of you are missing points because you're missing the due date. So make sure you pay attention to that. So, and again, and make sure on your response on your post, again, take what I love to see in those discussion posts is taking aspects from the reading or the videos that we watch in that week's module and applying that into your analysis. Again, I really love to see that. It shows me that you're paying attention to the readings and watching the videos and adding analysis. So the more you can do that, the better your grade will be. So continue to do that. And same thing on the essays. With your essays, make sure that you're taking information from what I post, the videos and the assignments, and applying those details and doing into a works cited page. The more references you can do, usually you will earn a better grade. I don't even mind if you pull in outside resources as long as it relates to the material. But just kind of a little tip for you: the more citing that you can do and the more sources you can bring in, usually you'll have a better grade, because whenever you do that, then you have to kind of analyze it and apply what that says and why it's important to your essay or your discussion. So just a little tip to help you get some more points moving forward. So again, we're at the halfway point. Again, you've been a great class so far, and I hope to continue to work with you through the end of the semester. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks, everyone.